In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to n8n. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to link your Supabase project to n8n so you can automate tasks or react to database events. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your n8n instance and a Supabase project. It also helps to have your Supabase project URL and an API key ready. You'll paste those in shortly. Start by opening n8n in your browser and heading to your dashboard. From here, create a new workflow. Giving it a clear name now will make it easier to find later, especially when you build more automations. Inside the new workflow canvas, add a manual trigger. This trigger is perfect for building and testing because it lets you start the workflow on demand. It won't affect your final automation. It simply provides a reliable way to run your setup while you configure things. Next, add your Supabase node. Use the Add button or the Node panel search box and type Supabase. You'll see the Supabase options appear. Choose the one that fits your use case. If you want the workflow to start when something changes in your database, pick the Supabase trigger node. This node listens for events like inserts, updates, or deletes and can be scoped to a specific table and schema. Selecting the right trigger keeps your automation focused and efficient. When you select the node, n8n will prompt you to set up credentials. Create or choose a credential and paste your Supabase project URL. This is the base URL unique to your project. Then paste your API key. Use a key that matches your security needs. For read-only use, an anon key can be sufficient, while server-side operations often use a key with elevated permissions. Keep your keys secure and never share them publicly. Within the Supabase trigger node, choose the event types you want to listen for, and if needed, the specific table. Clear selections here reduce noise and make it easier to build dependable workflows. If your project uses real-time features for database changes, ensure they're enabled in your Supabase project so the trigger can receive events. At this point, your workflow is connected. The manual trigger helps you iterate, and the Supabase node will listen or act based on the options you chose. From here, you can chain additional nodes to transform data, send notifications, or call APIs, whatever your automation requires. That's the core setup. You've connected Supabase to n8n, defined how the workflow should start, and provided secure credentials so the two services can communicate reliably.